Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm Kristilani. Today I'm going to be making some chicken long rice and I've got 2 containers of the chicken broth and I've got some skinless boneless chicken thighs, got some green onion, and I got some shiitake mushrooms. And then I got some of the long rice here. It's called bean thread. We just call it long rice in Hawaii. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start to boil my chicken inside the broth. You can use whatever kind of chicken you want, I guess, but right now I got chicken thighs. I'm gonna like shred it later when it's cooked. And then I got some ginger here. I'm just gonna put it in there for now. You can like smash it up and stuff like that, but my ginger is actually frozen. I just keep it in there so that it doesn't waste. But it did give a good flavor, and I'm gonna go ahead and put some Hawaiian salt in there. It's to taste. Whatever your preference is, you just can put salt, pepper. I didn't use any garlic because it's I'm using the ginger, so that's gonna give a lot of taste. Okay, right now I'm gonna be soaking the long rice in with the chicken broth. Alrighty, and you're just gonna soak it for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then you're gonna throw it into the soup, and maybe cook it for at least 30 seconds to a minute. I mean, however much you want. I did it for at least 5 minutes. While I was cooking the chicken, I took some of the fat out, so that's it right there. So you want to like skim the broth for any fat that you don't want in there. And right here is the shiitake mushrooms. I soaked it, just soak it until it gets soft. Alrighty guys, and that's it. It's all done. You just put it all together and then you enjoy. I did add some soy sauce. We just call it shoyu in Hawaii. I don't know why. It's the same thing. Soy sauce, whatever. Soy sauce. And then I did put a little bit more salt and some pepper to taste. So that's my chicken long rice, and I got some rice there. And then Keanu with this. Keanu's not been feeling under the weather, so I'm gonna bring that up to him. Okay, so just keep in mind that I think I used too much noodles, but it'll work out. But that's the chicken long rice. You guys should try it. It's so good. And I did put the mushroom in there. I'm gonna link down below the video that inspired me from Foodland, and you guys can check that one out as well. Alrighty guys, take care, God bless. See you all in my next video.